Hello and welcome to another tutorial for Excel beginners. In the last tutorial we had a look at the if function, a basic version of the if function, and how you could get Excel to display useful information based on values in other cells. Essentially asking questions about information on the spreadsheet. And what I'm going to do here is show you how to extend the if function so you can ask more than one question within the same function. And I'm going to go back to this example we started with, which is where we compared prices between suppliers, and all it did really was just check to see if one was better value than the other and give us an answer in the best price column. Now some of you may have noticed there's an obvious problem with that. What if supplier A and supplier B are the same price? And I'm going to give an example of what happens. If I click into the cell under supplier A for the first product and we change that to $74.99, press the enter key, well, it says supplier B is still the best price, even though now that's not strictly true because supplier A has dropped its price to match. Now the problem, or the reason that's happening, is simply that Excel is only checking if supplier A is less than supplier B. Any other outcome, it will put supplier B as a result. So it simply says, is $74.99 less than $74.99? And the answer is no, it's not. So the result supplier B goes into cell Z4. Okay, so we need to modify the formula a little bit to make it work better for us. What I want to have happen is Excel to put the word tie in to Z4 if the prices are equal. So I'm going to modify the formula and make that happen. The first way I'm going to do it is simply by deleting the original if function from Z4. I'm going to start from scratch and we'll create it a new version of the if function, and you'll see how it all comes together. What I'll do after this is I'll edit an existing if function, and so you can see how to modify an existing one as well. Okay, so step number one, press equals. Tells Excel we're going to do a formula or a function. Type if, because that's the type of function we're doing. Open bracket, and the first test I want to have happen is to check if those prices are equal. So I'm going to click on $74.99, or the price that's in X4, press equals, and click on the value in Y4. So that's my first question, is X4 the same as Y4? If that's true, what do I want to have happen? Well, type a comma first of all to separate the different arguments in the function, and I'm going to have the word tie appear. So again, between quotation marks because it's text,